a better future with Afovic School of Technology.
Afovic School of Technology announces registrations for NAPTEP, May, June, NTC, ANBC, ordinary level examinations for this year and on for registration.
1. ANBC National Business Certificate in Bookkeeping, Financial Accounting, Secretariat Duties, Tourism and Salesmanship.
2. NTC National Technical Certificate in Electrical Installations and Maintenance Works,
Computer Craft Studies,
Automobile Electrical Works,
Refrigerator and Air Conditioning,
Block Laying and Bricklaying Concreting,
Plumbing and Pipe Fitting,
Carpentry and Joinery,
Painting and Decoration,
Mechanical Engineering Craft Practice,
Fabricating and Welding,
Shipbuilding Craft Practice,
Marine Engineering Crafts,
Draughtsmanship Craft Practice, etc.
3. General Education Certificate in General Subjects.
4. MTC Modular Trade Certificate in all available courses.
The certificate is available for you to get employment, contract, and if students need to further their academic career, they can use it to get admission into any Nigerian university or ANTC ANBC Advanced Level Certificate to gain direct entry to 200 level in any Nigerian university and to enroll with NTC, NBC, or its equivalents, GCE, NECO, and SSC, WAEC results, etc.
The examination to receive the certificate is originated and approved by NAPTEP. Avotech Examination Center number is 28153.
This application is open to all, including junior secondary school certificate holders, primary school certificate holders, GCE, SSCE, and NECO students who are to retake their papers for admission, apprehensive students, and working class students.
Nature of programs. 1. NTC MBC programs for pupils of primary school leaving holders. Course duration is 72 months, 6 years. For students of GSS certificate holders, course duration is 36 months, 3 years.
2. ANTC ANBC programs for students with NTC NBC certificate holders will run the program for 6 months. For students with GCE, NECO, and SSC, while certificate holders will run the program for 10 months. You are going to receive both NTC NBC for May, June, and ANTC ANBC for November, December certificates.
Distance education for those who are distant to our study center is available. The school looks for merit in all ramifications. Recognized professional certificates is quick access to gain employment when attached with credentials.
We believe in students' ability to learn when the needed facilities and teaching aid is available. We believe in you. Register now and get your admission before it closes.
Interested candidates should apply online at www.afotechedu.ng or collect the form at our office, Kilometer 3, Adiobe Compound, along Abeokuta, Ibadan Road, beside Konoi Petrol Station, Obantoku, Abeokuta, Ogun State.
Or at our study center, address below. 1. Lens International College, 5. Lens Street, off Gas Line, Alhaji Yusuf Bus Stop, Songwater, Ogun State.
2. Study Center Annex, the Rosanoplex Academy College, Gbadamosi Street, Onibukun, Ota, Ogun State.
Telephone numbers 081 07 48 73 18, 081 07 48 73 18, or 07036005442, 07036005442.
Announcer Management.